Hello and welcome to the 30-day content marketing plan. As an online marketer, you will have to have your own clear-cut content marketing strategy in place so that you can create and get maximum exposure for each piece of content that you produce. Having your own content plan in place is of paramount importance to the success of your business. With the 30-day content marketing plan, you'll discover how to market each piece of content that you create. Easy way from being a complete beginner to being an expert in content creation and marketing. We show you how and why building relationships with influencers will increase your chances of success, how to build your own content marketing strategy, how to gain the respect of others through thought leadership and content creation expertise in your industry. This video is brought to you by LiveTheDreamOnline.net. If you are watching this through our YouTube channel, please like and subscribe for future videos and completely free courses in the future. See the description for a bonus gift from Live the Dream